What's up? I'm back at it again with another 3D print video. And this time I'm doing Billy from Grimm's Adventures of Billy and Mandy. Alright, so right here, this is the Bamboo Lab Studios, which they give us a software for my 3D print. And I'm showing you guys that when I do my support trees on my figurines and stuff, I love to have it all connected at the bottom so it could be easier for it to print, so it won't fall off or nothing, no mistakes. Right here I was able to capture some footage of it printing. I got the Bamboo Lab A1, that's what my 3D printer is called. I got the combo version, which prints out multiple colors and everything, but I'm just doing it all black because I'm painting it later on. On this part of the video I sped it up. You guys already know how 3D printer works. So yeah, so just while you wait, subscribe, like, turn on the bell notification so you can see more of my projects. And also you can go back and see my other work when I did number 5 from Kids Next Door. Before I do any type of figurine or 3D print, especially if it's a big print, I always wash my build plate so it can stick on to the figure more. Alright, so right now I'm taking off the support trees off of the head part. The tools that I mostly use is going to be in the description. If I forget to add any type of tool, just leave it down in the comment section and I'll hit you up later. Alright, so I did the same thing with the head, which is in the software I lift up the 3D print and put the supports at the bottom so it could be a more stickier print at the build plate. Also, maybe next time I can do a time lapse of it printing. Bamboo Studios do have a software where you can record, and also the Bamboo Lab A1 does have a camera that's built on the 3D print. Yeah, so boom, got it right here. Taking it off, and you see how sticky it is on there. That's the way that it should be. Yeah, so on this part of the video I sped it up for me to take the tree support off the body part. Yeah, so I just remembered that the tool that I'm using are wire cutters. People use scissors. Sometimes you don't even need tools, you just pry it off with your hands stuff. But I think this part is more easier. The wire cutters that I have a grip on it, which makes it more easier for me to take different pieces off. I'm in my art room right now. That's why I have a lot of stuff in there. Alright, so now this is the next step. Most 3D printers at the bottom and top have rough areas, so I'm going to use a rotary tool. I got it on Amazon. The link is in the description at the bottom. And it comes with different sets of different sanding tools that I can attach, and plus it has a light on it. Right now I'm pulling off the duster, at least that's what I call it, to get some of the dust off the 3D prints. Also, as y'all can see before, I had a mask and some goggles on, so some of the dust won't get in my eyes and whatnot. I have allergies like I said in the last video, but yeah, it's definitely something that you might need. Alright, so right now I'm using the sanding sponge. I like using the sanding sponge instead of like the paper sanding because it has like a better grip. I got it off Lowe's and you can get it on Home Depot. Uh, I'm not sure if Walmart has it, but you can also get it on Amazon. Alright, so as you can see, you already know what time it is. It's Bondo time. This is Bondo glazing and spot putty. It's very useful. I love this product because it definitely gets all the major holes that's in the 3D print. I let it dry for like 3 hours before I put another coating. When I put the Bondo on, I try to make it as smooth as possible. Alright, so here's the 2-in-1 filler and sandable primer. This is definitely something that you really need. It definitely smooths it out. I put about a good like 3 coats. Some people put 2, which is fine. Right now I'm using model color paint from Hobby Lobby. It's around about $4. And the palette I'm gonna be using, I forgot to get a palette, so guess what I did? I just print one out in the print files online. And also I'm using golden gloss glazing liquid, and it makes the acrylic paint lasts longer when it comes to painting, so it doesn't dry up super fast. And also this is one major tip: after using most of these products, make sure you put the cap on because you don't want the tip of the paint to dry up on these bottles. Most of the brushes that I use are flat brushes or detailed brushes. Oh yeah, my bad for having like weird angles when I paint. Next time I'll set my tripod up to have more angles.
He's done miracles on me. He's done miracles on me. He's done miracles on me.
When I'm done with most of my 3D prints, I use a finisher. I use a flat for the whole thing, and I use a gloss finisher for the eyes. You can use a gloss finisher for the whole body, but I don't know if you want it to be that glossy. But yeah, boom, there's the results of the Billy figurine. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's very important for the algorithm. And also in the comment section, let me know what I should do next. All right, peace.